At first glance, you may think as if this building is abandoned. Leaking roofs, classrooms without windows, without doors, no glass panes, no proper floors. For years, this has been a reality at Taonga Community School in Linda Compound, but this is now about to become a thing of the past. In a powerful act of compassion and service, youths from Chilanga Central Mission District have stepped in, mobilizing over 70,000 kwacha to renovate the school ahead of this year's Global Youth Day.
Putting painting window frames, door frames, doors, and also even changing the roof. And as a district, we are really pleased for this action, and our district pastor is really in support of this. And we believe that this activity that the young people are doing will be an activity that will be life-changing to the young people, and not only to the young people, even the families where these young people are coming from.
The initiative has not only transformed infrastructure, but has already transformed lives.
We decided to adopt this school because we have so many pathfinders here in Linda Community School where they come to learn, but the problem was this school, it has been in a very bad state for a long time.
For the youths, this is more than a project, it is mission.
Our estimated budget was 56,000, but from the way the work has been moving, we are at 70,000. We did our first project with this school in 2023, where we distributed a number of books as well as materials for the learners. But then when we thought about it this year, because of our theme, Communion in Action, we thought of coming back to the school and try to change the face of the school. We are plastering the school and ensuring that we put windows as well as doors. As you can see that the school has no doors, it has no windows, so we just thought we should put all those things in place so that the environment can be conducive for the learners. My words of encouragement to the youths out there is that take this, the GYD project, the Global Youth Day project, as a serious thing, because it's something that is helping the young people to become agents of positive change in society and the community out there.
And the impact has not gone unnoticed by civic leadership.
And for me, as the area councillor, this particular gesture is timely, and we are very happy, and we shall continue working with the SDA Church.
This year's theme, Communion in Action, expresses the changing strength of collecting prayer and action, vitalizing young people to unite in faith and share God's love through service, while embodying the spirit of the early church, creating a ripple effect of positive change in communities. 𝗬𝗢𝗪𝗓𝗓 reporting for Hope News, Lusaka.